Every time I order from Shein, I tell myself this is the last time, and then they surprise me with the strangest, funniest, and sometimes most disappointing art supplies I've ever seen. Today I'm unboxing and testing 20 strange, cheap, and sometimes surprisingly amazing art supplies. Some of these items made me smile like a kid again. Others made me regret wasting even a single dirham. But here's the fun part. One of the products in this haul is also a giveaway. All you need to do is watch carefully, find the 5 hidden emojis in this video, and be the first to comment them below. The winner will get the item sent straight to them. Alright, let's begin. I got these brushes because I read in the reviews how people were impressed with the build quality. And if you know how expensive good brushes can get, you'll understand why I had to try them. The set comes with 7 brushes for only 10 dirhams. That's shockingly cheap for brushes made from squirrel hair. They feel solid in your hand, have weight, and hold water really well. Each tip keeps a sharp point, which really impressed me. They came in simple packaging, nothing fancy, but honestly, the quality for the price is amazing. And here's the exciting part. I'll test them at the end of the video with some special watercolors. So stay tuned, don't skip ahead. Remember when we were kids holding 2 pens together to make cool double lines? Well, someone turned that memory into a real product. I got this pack of 6 pens for only 10 dirhams. The combos are blue and purple, brown and black, blue and orange, blue and pink, blue and green, and finally brown and orange. They are fun to use, smooth ink and consistent lines, super bold and smooth ink flow. I'd recommend this set for anyone who enjoys journaling or decorating cards. I got this pack of color pencils to test out how cheap we can go with art supplies. These are the 48 color pencil set from a brand called ArtTrack. They come in a thick cardboard box for 30 dirhams. At first glance, each pencil has nice grip, but the wood feels cheap, like compressed leftovers. As for the pigments, they are weak. Even after layering, the colors look shy, like they don't want to shine. Some shades are just plain disappointing. White is basically invisible, black is just dark gray. And don't get me started on the fake metallic gold and silver. They're basically creamy yellow and light gray, no glitter at all. The only metallic thing here is the paint on the pencil barrel. If you want real quality, save for Ohuhu Halawa, which I unboxed and reviewed in a previous video, link in the description below, or at least go for basic Faber-Castell pencils at the same price. Way better value. Finally, something that made me happy. At first, they look like regular pencils from a distance, but look closer. The barrel itself is shaped like a tiny flower section. When you sharpen them, these pencils bloom into little 3D flowers. I got 10 pencils for 7 dirhams. Blue, green, white, and pink. The pencil itself is pretty basic, but the fun is in creating these tiny flowers, which you can use to decorate cards or art pieces. And here's where I need your help. I want you guys to comment, what artwork should I make with these flower shavings? The winning idea will be featured in my next video. This caught my eyes because it says it can last forever. So I had to test it myself. I got this set of 12 colors for 18 dirhams. Each pencil comes with a built-in eraser and the build quality looks decent. But let's talk about the pigmentation. Weak, dull, not vibrant. After a simple swatch, the tips started chipping. And since you can't sharpen them, once the tips go flat, the pencil is basically useless, unless if you bought tip replacement. But yet again they are not forever. The only good thing, the erasers. They actually work well, but still, this set is pure gimmick. Save your money on this one. This product is not a regular pencil. It looks like a pencil, sharpens like a pencil, but instead of graphite core, it hides an eraser core. It's supposed to be used to get in the smallest details of your pencil or charcoal drawing to add highlights. Packaging was cheap, just a plastic bag. I mean, for 3 dirhams, I didn't expect much. As for the performance, it erased okay, but not perfectly. It left smudges. Honestly, a regular eraser does a better job for the same price. So yeah, cool idea, but weak performance. This one hurt. For 24 dirhams, I ordered this set of 48 oil pastels. It arrived in a greasy cardboard box with one side smashed, and some sticks were crushed inside. The pastels themselves? Hard, not creamy, and blending was just okay, nothing impressive. The pigments, though, are vibrant, and you do get a wide variety of colors. So I would still recommend this set for beginners who want to start their oil pastel journey. The core of art is pencil and charcoal mediums. That's why I picked up this set of 12 charcoal pencils for 13 dirhams. Supposedly, you get 3 levels of hardness: soft, medium, and hard. But in reality, they all feel the same. The shading is good, though, and compared to messy charcoal sticks, these are much cleaner to work with. So don't expect a real hardness variety, but if you want an affordable starter set, these are decent and won't break the bank. I ordered this drawing pencil set expecting one brand, but I got something completely different. The box arrived in bad shape, semi-open, and the pencils inside were not even organized properly. To make it worse, the set included 2 B pencils, and the 2B pencil was missing altogether. As for the pencils themselves, they're okay, nothing special. They give you good shades and the pencil leads hold pressure, but this kind of packaging and inconsistency is a big red flag. My advice? Buy this set with caution. You might not get what's advertised. Let's continue the pencil conversation with this special set. This one made me smile. At first glance, they look like regular pencils, but with a twist. When a pencil gets too short to use, you plant them. Literally, you dip the pencil in a pot, water it, and wait. Each capsule holds seeds. Mine has basil. The capsule dissolves with water, and after a while, you get a plant. This set comes with 8 pencils for 7 dirhams only. Why would you buy them? They perform like regular HB pencils. Nothing special, except the idea behind them is powerful. A gentle reminder. Give something back to nature. I planted one, and we'll see if it grows. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the update. Guys, I love popcorn and I love color, but mixing them together in one product sounds amazing, right? The idea that you apply the paint and wait for it to dry and then apply a source of heat and puff, the paint expand like a popcorn. At least that's what the advertisement promised. The paint is watery pigment, impossible to control, but I managed to draw this. Not bad job if you asked me. Anyhow, after waiting for a full day for the paint to dry, it was time for the big test. I grabbed my hairdryer and it barely puffed up. What a waste. Don't buy this. This is pure garbage. For 18 dirhams, I got this stamp pad. It contains 6 gradient colors in one, starting from white to navy blue. The way to use it is simple. With a big flat brush, you can pull a gorgeous gradient from white to dark blue in just one stroke. The results? Clean, elegant, and very satisfying. Just make sure to use a good brush with the soft bristles. And of course, enough water. Now, what can you actually use this pad for? Imagine painting sunsets, oceans, skies, or even delicate flower petals. Whenever you want smooth, natural transitions of color. It's especially fun for flowery paintings because you can get those soft gradients that bring petals to life. It's quick, fun, and surprisingly useful for both kids and professionals. I'm already planning to buy more color variations to create a big piece, so stay tuned. Sometimes, Shein products are just weirdly genius. This pencil case looks like a tortilla wrap. You can roll your pens, pencils, brushes, even markers in it, then wrap it like a burrito. It is a conversation starter for sure. It is practical and fun at the same time. Speaking of conversation starters, nothing beats losing your hair quickly. This one is deeper than it looks, an eraser shaped like a handsome man who turns bald with use. A little life lesson hidden inside stationery. I got 3 erasers for 4 dirhams. It works like a normal eraser, but honestly, you buy it for the meaning and the laugh, not the performance. It's collectible and practical at the same time, and for stationery lovers out there, this one is a must. I bought this one for nostalgia. When I was 12, I had the coolest stationery box in class, and this brought that memory back. For 26 dirhams, you get this elegant box made mainly from hard plastic, with multiple compartments, a sharpener, and more. Each button opens a different compartment, and they're surprisingly responsive. This last button, though, at first glance it looks useless, but wait until you see, it's the most satisfying part of the case. On the side, you've got a combination lock and a calendar. The calendar is tiny, confusing for adults, let alone kids. The lock feels loose, so even a small shake can reset the combination, which sometimes makes it hard to open the top and bottom compartments. Inside the top layer, you get a small printed class schedule card, too small to be functional, and the main pencil compartment. But here's where that special button shines. Press it, and the platform rises in a tilted way so you can easily reach or replace your stationery. And just like that, you're the coolest kid in class again. The bottom compartment is empty, meant for a small whiteboard marker and maybe an eraser. The lid has built-in whiteboard. I actually like this feature. It encourages kids to brainstorm and sketch their ideas. At the end of the day, it's still easier to throw everything into a simple pencil pouch. But this box makes you stand out, and sometimes that's worth it. I've never hated something this much in my life. This is the worst way to spend 6 dirhams. It's supposed to be an engraving pen, designed to create amazing art pieces on wood, glass, or leather. But in reality, it is made from cheap plastic body, wobbly tip, weak rotation. I tried engraving a simple character on a wood sheet and it was a nightmare. The power was inconsistent, the lines were wobbly, and the whole piece looked awful. I even added a watercolor wash on top just to show you how bad it turned out. From the moment I started using it, I honestly felt like the pen might collapse and shoot the tip into my eye. This is unsafe and useless product. Please, don't waste your money on this, even if it's free. If you read a lot of books like me, and you love highlighting important or touching sentences, you know how hard it is to find decent quality highlighters that aren't just neon and painful on the eyes. I got this set of 15 colors for 12 dirhams. They have solid chisel tips, and the colors are pastel shades, soft and easy on the eyes. Exactly what you want from a highlighter. They perform really well and don't bleed even after going over the same spot multiple times. This set is perfect for students, for journaling, or even for adding subtle accents to artwork. Definitely worth it. Now, this one blew me away. At first, they look like metallic silver markers, but the magic happens as soon as you write. Each stroke develops a colored outline, red, green, yellow, you name it. The set is 12 markers for 24 dirhams, and on top of that, I got an extra free set, which means giveaway time. The first subscriber who finds and comments all the 5 hidden emojis in this video wins this set. I'll be sending the extra pack to one lucky subscriber. Now, let's talk performance. Honestly, the markers have smooth ink, no leaks, but they are juicy, very juicy, which means they will bleed through thin paper. So use thick sheets or at least protect your desk. Don't do my mistake. This set is highly recommended if you love calligraphy or creating unique art projects. If you enjoy writing with fountain pens but hate being limited to just one ink color, this set is perfect for you. You can choose either 8 or 16 pens from Shein. I got the 8 color set for testing and they actually feel premium, even though the whole pack costs just 13 dirhams only. All the pens write smoothly with good ink flow, except the black, which is disappointing. That's the one color I never expect to fail, but it skipped a bit. Still, I highly recommend this set for anyone who loves journaling, note-taking, or just experimenting with fountain pens. Next time, I'd go for the 16 pack for sure. The only downside, they're not refillable, but honestly, for this price, you can just replace them when they run out. Now, let's end with the coolest watercolor set, paired with those squirrel hair brushes from earlier. I've already unboxed and tested a smaller version before. Remember the mermaid blue and pearl white from my previous Shein unboxing haul? Link in the description below. But this time, I went big. I got the full set of 60 colors for 30 dirhams. The packaging is plain, just a blank plastic box. But the magic happens on paper. Specifically on black watercolor paper. The glitter explodes into shimmering waves of color, and it is so satisfying. Every stroke, every dip. You just wish the page never ends, so you can keep painting and enjoying the shimmer. Pro tip: to activate the colors, drop a bit of water on each pan before painting, and let it sit for a minute. That softens the surface so your brush picks up pigment beautifully. If you love sparkle, this is a must-have, and honestly, I couldn't have ended the haul with anything better. And that's the end of this Shein haul. 20 products, some worth buying, some worth laughing at, and some you should definitely avoid. Remember, the giveaway is still open. Be the first to find and comment all the hidden emojis in this video to win. And don't forget, I want your ideas for projects using the flower pencils, the planting pencils, or even the color stamp. Drop your suggestions in the comments and the best one will become reality in my next video. This channel isn't just about supplies. It's about creativity, joy, and mystery. I'm the medium alchemist. Please, stay curious.